So as part of the GAF Master Elite program, being a Master Elite contractor, you're able to offer extended warranties when you're doing the roof and the process the way that GAF intends their projects or their products to be installed. So you get an entire package. You're using all GAF materials, from the ice and water shield to the starter, the felt, the underlayment, the shingles, the ridge cap. All of the systems, all of the products are part of a system. They're meant to work with each other. They're specifically engineered to perform a certain way when they're put together as an entire roofing system, not just the shingles. And so when those processes and those installation guidelines are followed, GAF is willing to extend the warranty to a point where you can get a 50-year lifetime warranty that is labor and materials. And so part of that certification entails going through some trainings and making sure that we know how those products are installed. It also, one of the parts of the warranty ensures that if the company that installed it went out of business, GAF's going to back up that labor for a certain amount of time. So they believe that their products are superior when they're installed properly, and if that's the case, they're willing to back that up as a company, back up the labor portion of that if something happens to the company that installs it. So it's really another layer of security for a homeowner to know that this is an entire system. It's not just a shingle replacement, that these products are made to go with each other, so that we have that peace of mind knowing that this isn't just a guy in a truck that showed up after a hailstorm. This is a certified Master Elite from the manufacturer that's willing to put their name on the line and be co-branded with this company. So it's a layer of security. It's additional warranties, just to know that your roof is gonna last as long as it's supposed to.